welcome back to my channel. Today I have with me my nephew Jayon and my nephew Jalen. And today we're making chocolate chip cookies Valentine's Day style. So all you gotta need for this recipe is 1 package of chocolate chip cookie dough mix, sprinkles, candies, of course your butter, and your egg. Okay, so first we're gonna take our cookie mix, dump it into the bowl. We gotta be fancy with it. We're gonna put our egg. Would you focus? We're gonna crack our egg and put it in the bowl. Really, Jayon? Don't get no shells in my mess. Oh my God. All right, move. He's gonna get egg all over the table. Throw it in the trash. Okay, Jalen, we're gonna put the butter in the bowl. The whole stick of butter.
What's wrong with the butter? It's so buttery. Ew, it looks so gross.
Jalen, put it in the bowl.
Ew,
Oh,
good.
Wipe your hands with it.
I should have did that with my egg.
Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it up. Roll my sleeves a little bit. I ain't trying to get my sleeves mixed up, you know.
What I put this side?
So I'm
That's a good idea.
just gonna mix this cookie dough up real quick.
My egg on my spoon.
Well, you did it.
Well,
Where my spoon go?
Try to keep it in the
You
bowl.
took my spoon.
oh,
Yeah, I needed to mix this up.
I'm gonna use this.
No.
That's incompetent.
Alright, so we just gonna mix up this cookie dough. Follow the instructions on your cookie mix package. Jalen, if you can stay out the candy, let's see if we can have some left to put in the cookie dough.
And eat.
That's if. If. That's not a promise. It's gonna be gold. Where'd it go? I don't know. It's gone.
John, I can't even mix up the cookie dough with peace and quiet.
We can quiet to mix up some cookie dough.
Why not?
Good.
Don't we need water in there? So it's
No,
not like
you
that?
don't need water. You got to take your time and mix it.
That's weird. Can't you have peace and quiet?
Jalen,
That's a big yolk.
almost there.
Almost.
Whew, my arm tired. You want to mix some? Just use the
Can
back
I
of the
do
spoon.
Can I do it
Let
to
me
this
see.
my spoon?
It is your spoon.
It's your spoon.
Yes, it is.
It is your spoon.
Woo. Jaya, that's not what your job was.
To eat it? Yes.
No, you're supposed to be mixing it.
While I'm mixing and eating. I'm hungry.
Jalen, you mix it up soon.
That tastes pretty good.
He's stirring. I said, you got to use the back of the spoon. There you go. There you go. All right, that's good. So now give me your bowl. I'm gonna give you your cookie dough.
Don't you need to use this?
Nope, not just yet.
Oh!
Give me your bowl.
For what?
So I can give you a cookie dough.
Oh, here then.
Jalen.
Smell like butter. This thing smells like butter.
Yo, it's like prison. Just smack food on your plate.
What do you know about prison?
I don't know. I see it on TV. You gonna eat your cornbread?
Oh my goodness, this is gonna be one interesting video. All right.
What is like butter?
So now you're gonna take.
Smell like butter.
So now you're gonna take your sprinkles and your little candies. We chose to use M&Ms, but use whatever your favorite. Use whatever kind of candies you would personally like to use. So, what do y'all want to use?
Everything.
Well, do what you gotta do. All right, save Jalen some. Huh? What am I gonna do? Like, I don't know what to do.
This look.
That is M&M. You can put a little bit, or you can put a lot.
Oh! You just put all that inside my stuff.
Man, that's gonna take a long.
Who doesn't like M&M? What are you doing? Oh my God!
I'm sorry.
You don't stab it. You just mix it up. So, Jayan, do you have a Valentine at school?
Nope.
Are you telling me the truth, or are you telling me what I want to hear?
Nope.
Mm-hmm. So,
Yo, that must be some good, you know. You got some
so
more to do.
Jalen. Oh my God. Jalen, do you have a Valentine at school?
Actually,
No, I hear you have a girlfriend. Mm-hmm. Who y'all gonna give these cookies to? Y'all not gonna take them to school and give them to somebody?
my mama.
Your mama. I know that's
I
right.
know she gonna want 'em.
Take care of mama first, huh?
Yep, and then take
You
care
better
of the
keep that. When you get real old, don't let no girlfriend take you away from your mama. Your mama was there first.
Yep. I
You
know.
welcome, Tisha.
Came out of it. Mm-hmm.
How many are you gonna use?
You know, but I used to say when babies were born, they used to be born in the toilet when like
What? You never know what's gonna come out of their mouth. I don't even know what to do. Like,
I don't know what to do. I don't even know how to mix this.
just mix the. Oh my God. Okay, Jalen, are you done, darling?
No.
Are you ready to put yours on the cookie sheet? Do you want some? Ooh, nobody's using chocolate sprinkles.
Already did.
I did.
I ain't seen none.
You put too much.
Well, I didn't think you put enough. All right, we ready to scoop.
I want to do it.
All right, all right. Scoop it like ice cream. Scoop.
I want to eat it.
Look, you want to scoop it up like that. So then when you and then push it out.
Why you got a ball over on that now?
Because it's gonna. Did you just eat that out your chair? Your butt was sitting on that M&M and you put it in your mouth.
It was a survivor.
How it taste?
It was a
Here.
survivor. Yes, survivor.
Here.
It ain't no one of them.
What are you
You
doing?
keep on doing it.
Jayan, oh my gosh.
What?
Why did you take that off?
You gotta get all the flavors.
I don't think you left any flavors out.
I sure did. We need to say
This
this.
this is what it's like baking with boys.
No, it's not.
I need to say this.
Every
to the side.
time.
I can't do this. I need to say this to the side. Ooh, at least I got red in it.
So we have already preheated our oven to
Why does it look
350.
like that?
Cause I had everything in it. This gonna be a cold chocolate chip.
No,
So-
it's gonna be disgusting.
Look, don't judge.
Follow the instructions on your box.
Don't do what we did.
Yes.
Yeah, don't
he
do
did.
what they did.
Well,
Don't do what he
Don't do
did.
what I did.
Look at this. He got egg whites on the pan.
That was your fault. You pushed my
Give
hand
me
out
some
the
of
way.
these.
I'm supposed to be eating this.
They could do the same thing as me. I put M&M's and sprinkles in mine. At least mine don't look like rainbow.
Don't mix it too much.
It look like rainbow poop.
You look like rainbow poop.
This is a really handy tool. Seriously, get you one of these. For years, when I was making cookies, I was using a regular old spoon. And it's so frustrating because it doesn't come off the spoon, you know, the way you want it to. And I saw one of these at the store and I was like, this is what I need in my life. So, yeah, I bought one and it's only like $5.
$5.
And I think it was maybe like $4.
That's a lot.
Where'd you get it from? Walmart?
Walmart. $5 is not a lot.
No, it's not. It's poop.
Ask a poor person there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we got more of yours, so I'm gonna put that back in there. Jayan, it said on the package, do not eat raw. And what are you doing?
It says do.
Eating it raw. So we're just gonna pop these in for 10 to 12 minutes. That's the instructions on our package. Use the instructions on yours. And then
What you doing, Mike?
and then we'll be right back. So to make this even more fun and exciting, we've decided to take our cookies that's already been baked and cooled and put them into a mason jar. And we also have some stickers and different things that we're gonna use to decorate it, to give away to someone we love or to keep for ourselves. So I'm gonna show you a quick little trick that I did. So you know how when you bake your cookies, they're naturally gonna spread out all over the place and not keep their shape. So what I did was I took a round cookie cutter, such as this one, and you just press it down on the cookie
Until it breaks.
until the ends break off, and then you have a perfectly round cookie. So we're gonna take the cookies, open up your jars.
I expected that.
So open up your jars, and then we're gonna just put our cookies in the jar, however you want to put them in there.
Jar is called ball sir tight. Ball sir tight. That's what's on the jar.
Put your cookie in your mason jar.
Oh, I thought it broke up. I seen it.
Oh, I did it.
You're not gonna get any pink ones?
No, they disgusting.
Yours is full.
What's not?
Yes, it is. We
This
can do this all day.
It's not full.
It is full.
It's right here. Full is up here. I could fit one more cookie in here.
Where you gonna get it from? Oh my god. Now that that's done, we're gonna take our stickers. I've got some letter stickers. I got some sweetheart stickers, like the little candies that have the different sayings on them. We got some red and pink stickers, really cute. And your traditional ribbon. So get whatever it is that you want.
Yeah, shout out to the moms out there with, I guess, loving children. If you do have a loving children.
I love the children.
If you do have a loving child, then bless them.
Bless the child.
Bless the child. You have a good child right there. If you have a child and they barely get you anything, kick them out.
Oh my gosh.
Don't kick them out.
So I guess you get kicked out. Because I heard that you don't get your parents nothing.
That ain't true. I bought everybody ice cream.
As you can see, they turned out pretty cool. And they had a really fun time making them. I think their parents are really going to enjoy these. And they were really easy to make. So as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know what you thought about the video. And I hope to see you next time. That's pretty great.
I'm out, boy.
It's your boy. Smooth.
Let's play a song.